Have any upcoming gatherings and you need to bring along a dish? Well, you're in luck because I have a cheesy dip that is going to wow your guests, and it's made with Grand Cru cheese. If you're not familiar with Grand Cru cheese, it's an Alpine style cheese, very similar to Gruyere, and the flavor is robust and slightly nutty with light floral notes, which makes it perfect for dips, charcuterie boards, and pairs well with fresh apples, pears, and nuts. But today, it's all about the dip. This dish is simple and easy, and I'm talking 3 ingredients: Grand Cru cheese, of course, mayonnaise, and your choice of red or green onion. The first and only step is to mix all 3 ingredients together and then refrigerate for at least 20 minutes before serving. You can let it sit for longer or even make the night before, but no sooner than the 20 minutes. Good things take time. Now for serving. This is really up to you and what you like. Today I have some assorted crackers, few almonds, and some apple slices. And if you want to get real fancy with it, add a fruit preserve or jam. Man, I'm telling you, this is good stuff. I know I said for gatherings, but you can also do this for a quick snack or lunch at home with your family. And because it's super simple to make, that means it's also kid-friendly. So drag them in the kitchen with you and make it together. As always, I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I do. And remember, spread love, eat good, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.